In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to ensure the safety of your site by harnessing the power of Secrets Manager on Wix Studio. This tool can be a game changer for those who are looking to add an extra layer of protection to their website. The first thing we want to do is access the Secrets Manager. To do this, navigate your way to Wix Studio. Once inside, you need to go to the Developer Tools. This can typically be found within the Code panel. Inside Developer Tools, you'll discover the Secrets Manager. Now, you may be wondering, is there any other way I can access this? The answer is, indeed, yes. You can also spot it in your dashboard, just sitting there under Developer Tools. Once you've accessed the Secrets Manager, it's time to add a new secret. Why do we do this, you ask? Well, these secrets are sensitive information, like API keys that should not be exposed in your code or logs, yet still need to be used in your application's code to enable certain functionalities. For example, you might have an API key for making secure connections to an external service. In this case, keeping it as a secret ensures it's not accidentally leaked, but can still be used by your application when needed. Now, to add a new secret, you'll see the Add Secret button, which you should click on. This will open up some fields for completion. This is where you make the secret your own. You want your secret to have a unique yet highly descriptive name. Think of a name that will help remind you what this secret is for. It might be something like Stripe API Key or another name that resonates with your purpose. Go ahead and enter that into the designated name field. The next field is for the incredibly sensitive value. This might be the API key you're looking to conceal. Put that encrypted goodness in the value field. This is the heart of your secret, the information you want to keep hush. Once you've filled in these fields, take a moment to review your entries. You're a click away from confirming your secret and further safeguarding your site. Click the Add Secret button once more, and voila, your secret value is now well hidden. The fascinating part is that while the secret value remains out of sight for security, the name will be visible, so you can easily manage your secrets. And that's all there is to it. You've now got a firm grip on preserving your site's safe side using Secrets Manager on Wix Studio, one secret at a time. Using this awesome feature is an efficient way of managing sensitive information while ensuring superior security for your site. Keep adding those secrets, and remember, the less known they are, the safer your site will be.